The doors are opening soon for our online course, Move with Ease for the Rest of Your Life. This is a fantastic place to start if you're new to clinical somatic education or you're looking for more structure in how to create your regular practice. We made this course because we want to help you go from exhausted to empowered, learning how to relieve chronic pain and regain comfort so that you can experience joy in everyday movements without having to pay thousands of dollars in medical bills. So here's what you can expect in this course. In Module 1, we explore the foundations. We know how lonely and hopeless losing your freedom to move easily can make you feel. So that's why we want to share with you this powerful, safe movement practice to give you the tools to do something about it. Learn to see yourself as a soma, a living, breathing, moving system that only you can experience from within, rather than a body that needs fixing. Through this lens, all sorts of changes become possible. Module 2 will dive into the red light reflex of protection. Our stressful lives can leave us feeling anxious and afraid. And when this happens, we respond with the red light reflex, a full body pattern of muscular contraction that happens instantly. So don't get stuck in your fear. Learn how to spot and release this reflex so that you can control it, not the other way around. In Module 3, we explore the green light reflex of action. Our go, go, go lifestyles cause our back muscles to tense up as we repeatedly trigger the green light reflex of action and forward movement. Learn how to spot this and consciously relax the back muscles to avoid painful conditions. In Module 4, we explain the trauma reflex of compensation. Accidents, injuries, and avoiding pain. Think of stubbing a toe or touching something hot, or a fact of life. We protect the area by making compensations in how we move. These adaptations stay with us long after we have healed and can cause knock-on effects by wearing down our joints and overworking our muscles. Learn how to restore balance and take the pressure off for freer, lighter movement. In Module 5, we'll explore free and easy walking. Walking is the most important human movement you ever want to maintain. So everything you've learned up until this point contributes to making the complex pattern of walking easier, more comfortable, more accessible, and more efficient. In this module, we'll add the cherry on top with the final couple of movements that will help you restore a pleasant and joyful gait. In Module 6, we'll explore building a daily practice. Feel confident. You can now practice at home by understanding the logic of building a practice. We explain how to structure your practice, and we guide you through some short routines to get you started. Each week, for 6 weeks, we will release one module so that you can pace yourself throughout the course. After 6 weeks, you'll have access to all the content for life. So even if you can't follow along each week, you've got all the material to come back to as many times as you want. We'll also be running live Q&A sessions alongside the course so that you can ask your questions and get the help you need to succeed. The course will start soon. Click the link we've provided to join our list to be notified when registration opens. See you there.